Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm going to show you how to make pancakes, vegan pancakes. Vegan pancakes. Let's see how to make it in no time. First thing that you want to do is to peel your apple, get rid of the skin and of the center, of course. Now grate the apples. Then place in a bowl the flour, the baking powder. I always do this to avoid lumps, and a pinch of salt. And mix well these dry ingredients. Add to the dry ingredients the wet ingredients, starting with the vanilla flavoring, the maple syrup. Start to mix and gradually add the milk. When you add the milk, you can add the oil and mix. Finally, you can add the apple. You can use apples, you can use blueberries, anything that is tiny, let's say, so it will mix well together with the rest of the mix. And again, mix well. If you see that the mix it is a bit too thick, and in this case it is almost right as we want it, you can add just the water to make it a bit more loose, and this is our mix ready to be cooked. This is the kind of consistency that you want. You see, it's not too thick, it's liquid enough, and it's not too liquid. Pour a bit of oil inside the pan. Switch on a low heat. Make sure that the oil is going everywhere and wait for the oil to be hot. When the oil is hot, you can put in the pan about 1 tablespoon of the mix. Spread it kind of a round way. Leave them to cook until they will start to form little bubbles on the top, and at that point you will wait about 20 seconds and you can turn them. Turn them a couple of times just to be sure that they are well cooked. Just keep on adding a tiny bit of oil if you see that the oil will run out completely in between the cooking of the different pancakes. Then last passage, the most important, just stack your imperfect pancakes inside your favorite container. Top up with a bit of maple syrup and enjoy. Delicious, delicious, absolutely delicious.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to tbsp UK channel. There I will leave the link down below. He's my husband and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much, homie.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.